Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word imponderable. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The outcome of the experiment was imponderable, as there were too many variables that could not be controlled. Impenetrable refers to something that cannot be understood or measured due to its complexity or unpredictability, making it difficult to determine or assess. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.